you see, from my point of view, I see 4 cars, okay, to the right side and barely 1 car to the left. I switch it and it gives you a much wider view. So we just look at the rearview mirror, I only saw those cars and I barely saw that car. What's up guys, Eric from VSonic here again, and we have the Model Y back at our studio and we want to do a more in-depth showing of our digital rearview mirror for this Tesla Model Y. We made that installation video. We also showed you some footages of how it looks at night and the benefits and so forth. And now we want to take it on a drive today and show you in what scenarios it becomes useful and why you should get one. All right, as you can see over here, this is a new brackets that comes with the kit. This is the additional camera. This is a factory camera and it integrates really well, looks factory. You cannot tell it was added as an aftermarket part. Another setting that you can adjust in addition to the other options like we mentioned on the other video is your zoom. Okay, it's at the widest setting right now, so if you want to zoom it in, you definitely can. You can also adjust this up and down. All right, so it's at 0. So if you want to bring it up, or you could bring it down, you can definitely make these adjustments. All right guys, so let's go on a drive and just show you exactly how this works and how it can benefit your everyday driving of your Model Y. So right now it is on the digital rearview mirror mode. We have Keith on the back seat filming, and as you can see, he's not showing on this rearview mirror. That's because the digital rearview mirror is showing me what's behind the vehicle instead of your normal view of seeing what's inside the car and out the small window in the back. Stop sign, switch this over, and look at that. There's Keith right there shooting the video, and if you look to the side of him, you see, from my point of view, I see 4 cars, okay, to the right side and barely 1 car to the left. I switch it and it gives you a much wider view. So we just look at the rearview mirror, I only saw those cars and I barely saw that car. All right, so this gives you much wider view and this will help with safety and also being able to check your blind spots more easily. All right, so we're driving over here and I'm looking at the rearview mirror. There's some cars on the left side. Looks pretty clear and I could see it very clearly with it on the normal factory mode. There are some blind spots, and especially now there's Keith that's in the way. Can't barely see that car, right? And look, now you see it right away. So for any cars that you may miss that's behind you, to the side of you, to your blind spot, you can now definitely take notice of those cars. So right there, the car just entered our blind spot and there it is. And on top of that, as you can see, the image is super clear, very defined, very vivid. You can see all the small details. The latency is very fast. There's no lag and you see the image just as it is behind the vehicle. And as I mentioned earlier, if your back seat is full of things and you just cannot see from the rearview mirror, that's also a great time to utilize this digital rearview mirror because it will bypass all that and you'll be able to see what's behind your car very clearly. And for any reason, if you want to see the inside of the car, want to make sure your kids are behaving well, then all you have to do is switch it over and there it is. And I see that Keith is doing his job. And let's see how close this car is. So we see this BMW behind us. So if you look at this, I can't even tell what car it is. There's a car behind me. All I see is his front windshield. All right, you flip it, and now you could tell it's a BMW. So if you notice the feel of this rearview mirror, and how it installs onto the car, you can't even tell it's aftermarket. It looks like it came from the factory. And it really fits in well with the whole entire vehicle. You will never know or notice that it's an aftermarket part. And by the time the car passes through the field of vision of this digital rearview mirror, you'll see it in your peripheral vision, almost eliminating the whole entire blind spot of your vehicle. All right guys, well today's video was just to show you more in depth about the digital rear view mirror for this Tesla Model Y. These Tesla Model Y rear view mirror, the visibility is very, very poor. This will enhance that. You'll be able to get a much wider view for safety. You'll get less blind spots. And on top of that, if your rear car is full of stuff, now you could just turn the switch and you'll be able to see what's behind the car instead of seeing the inside of the vehicle. It works really well at nighttime. The whole screen won't get washed out from any headlights. It controls that very well. All right, guys. Well, thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. If you haven't yet, help our channel by giving us that like and also subscribing to our channel. I'll see you guys on the next video.